Today, we're going to show you our cloud insights. That means we're going to show you around what the parts before didn't cover, and we're going to show you some detailed insights to make your work with our tempmate cloud as easy as possible. Let's get started. First, we're going to show you the support section. Just click on the life belt on the top side and you will be directed to our support section. Here you can add a new support request, see your pending requests or your closed requests. To add a new support request, click on the button Add New Support Request. The only thing you have to do right here is enter a title. Just gonna enter support request. And then add a message to it, what your support request is all about. If you're finished here, you just click Create. Takes a few seconds. And then you're gonna see your new support request right here in your dashboard. It's got a ticket number, your status, your title, and last change ad. Now our support team takes over and will reply to your request as soon as possible. Now if we go back to our home dashboard, let's go to our question mark right here. It's our help section. If you click on it, a new window will pop up. Takes a few seconds to load. Then you're gonna see our help section. Our help section is like our Wikipedia. So if you have any questions depending on a certain level where you're working at, for example, you have a question for custom fields in your devices, just click on custom fields. You will get a proper explanation what it's all about in custom fields and what you have to do. So here you can see all the departments of our cloud. It means your home dashboard, your alerts, your devices, profiles, custom fields, groups, reports, administration, a demo account, and your release note history. Please note that in our release note history, every release is documented exactly. So if you have questions here, please let us know. A special feature of our help section I will show you right now. We're gonna close this window right here. We are back at the home dashboard. Let's get to devices and overview. Now you're here at your device overview. If you click your help section now, you will redirect it to the help section, to the proper department. This means device overview. So it doesn't matter where you're at in your tempmate cloud. If you click help, you will redirect it to the page you're working at right now.